We interrupt your regularly scheduled scrolling with some breaking news. Influencers are officially getting on people's nerves. Viewers across the internet are reporting fatigue, frustration, and a growing distrust towards influencer culture. And honestly, it's been building for a while. Let's take a look at the headlines. Remember when Michaela was accused of wearing false eyelashes while promoting a L'Oreal mascara? And who could forget the influencers getting called out for filming in public gyms or blocking traffic for perfect shots, acting like the world is their personal film sets, while the rest of us are just extras in their way. From tone-deaf luxury hosts during hard economic times to stage relatable content that feels anything but real, people are starting to ask, are influencers losing the plot? Hello beautiful people, my name is Capable and welcome to the Girl Let's Chat series, the safe space where we unpack the madness of the internet, the trends, the delusions, the who approved this moment? Because TikTok will have you thinking this is normal and I'm here to say, is it though? Anyways, girl, let's chat about why everyone is suddenly tired of influencers. Influencers don't just start off annoying, they start off as relatable people. They're doing makeup in their bedrooms or venting about their 9 to 5, but then the followers go up and the relatability goes down. Suddenly, the girl who taught me how to blend eyeshadow is forcing me to watch a 30-minute vlog of her unboxing PR packages I can't afford. I didn't sign up for a lifestyle influencer. In this economy, watching you go on a luxury shopping spree is not aspirational. It's tone deaf. And remember, when you climb the ladder, don't kick the people who are holding it up for you. And honestly, I do believe that for some people, fame doesn't change them. It just amplifies who they already are. For example, if someone is a genuine person at heart, then they'll stay genuine. But if someone is an entitled person at their core, then it just becomes louder. Like now they just have a platform for it, the entitled platform. Have you noticed that they all even start sounding the same, having the same routines and personalities? It's like influencers are slowly becoming copies of each other. And I actually talk more about this in my Everyone Looks the Same video. The content has stopped adding value. It's no longer about how to do this or here's a tip. And it's not even entertaining half of the time. I'm sorry, you can't tell me that it's entertaining to watch someone unboxing stuff for a whole hour. A whole hour? That's a whole hour of my life I could never get back. It's just, look at me, look at my life, look at my smoothie. It's just the main character syndrome gone viral. But we have to remember, most of these creators have pretty much become living billboards. Corporations use their personality as a Trojan horse just to get into your wallet. So instead of chasing the next influencer recommended trend, why not rediscover the gems you already own in your closet? Check out my fashion guide, Shop Your Closet. It's a guide to creating new outfits without shopping. And if you think human influencers are getting robotic, wait until you meet the ones made of code. Influencers are now competing with AI creators. There are AI influencers who have millions of followers and deals with big brands, and even earning up to $10,000 a month. They're influencing people without even being real. And it raises a real question. If influencers feel inauthentic, what happens when they're literally not human? Not everyone has to be a lifestyle influencer, okay? Like, we need experts, we need funny people, and we need to chat more in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Do you think influencers are actually falling off, or are we just finally seeing through them? Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a like, and also let me know what other topics you would like for me to talk about. I'm always interested in hearing what you guys have in mind, and make sure to subscribe for some different types of videos every week because we don't stick to the same videos here. I get bored easily.